How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to add the music to WhatsApp status, what you can do is just go to the WhatsApp application on your device and then tap on my status over here. So just tap on my status and you'll be able to see the photo and video option only. You don't have the option to add the music to WhatsApp status. So what you can do is you can just play the music that you want to add and then screen record that music while it's playing, and you'll be able to add that video or that screen recorded video to your WhatsApp status. And that's the only way to add the music to WhatsApp status in today's context. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.